Welcome back guys, I'm Abhishek and you are watching Tech Review Pro, and in this quick video tutorial you will learn how to turn on or off your iPhone, and you will also learn how to restart your iPhone if your iPhone is frozen or not responding. So without any further delay, let's move into the video. If you want to shut down your iPhone having Face ID on it, you need to press the volume up button and then volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until you see the slide to power off option. Now from here, slide to power off your iPhone, and this will shut down or turn off your iPhone. Similarly, if your iPhone has Touch ID like the iPhone SE or iPhone 8 and you want to turn off your iPhone, then you can press and hold both the side button and the volume up button simultaneously until you see the slide to power off slider. Once you get it, simply slide to turn off your iPhone. Okay, now let me tell you another method to power off your iPhone. This is one of the easiest method to turn off your iPhone, which works on any iPhone, regardless of whether it has Face ID or Touch ID. In order to do this, go to Settings, then General, and scroll down until you see the shutdown option. Simply tap on shutdown and you will see the slider that allows you to power off your iPhone. Alright, if your iPhone freezes or becomes unresponsive, and in that case if you want to restart it, you can perform a forced restart. For this, press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until your iPhone restarts. When you see the Apple logo, release the side button and your iPhone will restart. So this is how you can fix a frozen or unresponsive iPhone. And if you are new to iPhone and need quick video tutorials like this, then don't forget to subscribe Tech Review Pro channel. Hope that helps. If you need any further assistance, let me know in the comments below.